You can count on us. Come on.
The Gananoque Chevrolet's Cadillac Regional Used Car and Truck Center always features over 100 hand-selected late model cars and trucks, fully reconditioned and priced to sell.
Yes, the clearance is on at Gan Chevrolet's, and listen, we have selection in our Regional Used Car Center. This big Jeep, we've got cars and trucks, we got 4x4s, we've got a clearance of economy cars, priced just for you. So come on down and see the selection at Gan Chevrolet's today.
Count on us.
Come on down and let us prove it. Have you been waiting for the right time to buy?
Come on. You can count on us. Come on.
Well, that time is now during the Gananoque Chevrolet's Cadillac year-end countdown. It's a total year-end model clearance.
It's the Gananoque clearance, and Gan Chevrolet's selection is really what we have here today. Once they're gone, they're gone. The prices, you know they're better at Gan Chevrolet, so come on down and see us today. You can count on us.
So what are you waiting for?
You can count on us.
Come on down to Gan Chevrolet's.